Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the issue that says no internet access on our Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing in our keyboard the Windows R key altogether, and you will be opening the run window. Or you can just simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here. So once this run window is open, all you need to do is just to type ncpa.cpl. Again, it's ncpa.cpl. Now once done typing, just click on OK or enter. And then once you do that, you will be opening the network connections window. So in here, you will be able to see the network connections that you're connected with. And since I am connected with a public Wi-Fi, I am seeing here the signal icon under the Wi-Fi option. So all I need to do is just to make a right click on that and then click on disable. And then once it says that this is disabled, again make a right click on that and then click on this enable button here, and it will be enabling the Wi-Fi network connection. So let's just wait for this to be enabled, and then we will connect our device again to the network connection that we are connected with. Okay, so it is now already enabled. Let me just go quickly with the Wi-Fi and let me just connect. Okay, so it has been connected, and then the next thing we need to do is to go to the command prompt window. Let me just close this one. So here in the Windows search tab, please type cmd. And then you will see under best match the command prompt options. At the right hand, you will see the run as administrator option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, the user account control window will be coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes to proceed. And then you will see this black window. So in here, all we need to do is just to type for the commands that you will see at the description box below that I have provided. And here we need to type first the ipconfig /release. Again, it's ipconfig space /release. Now once done, click on enter. And then here we need to type ipconfig space /flushdns. And then click on enter. And then it has now, or the DNS has been successfully flushed. And the next thing we need to do is to type again ipconfig, but this time it's renew. ipconfig space /renew to renew the IP address of our device. And then once done typing, just click on enter. And the next thing we need to type is to netsh space int space IP reset. Now once done typing, click again OK or enter. And the last one is netsh space winsock. Now after typing or running the commands here, all we need to do is just to make a quick restart with our device for the commands to be applied, or for the settings to be applied completely. Okay, so again, just make a quick restart and then your settings will now be applied and you're good to go. So you won't be experiencing again the same problem or the same issue. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.